Giving it another shot. Mastering persistence in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's all about persistence and determination. Give it another shot. This expression is widely used in English-speaking cultures and carries a powerful message of not giving up. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these phrases can significantly enhance your English fluency. So, let's explore what it means to give it another shot, and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. Give it another shot is a colloquial expression used to encourage someone to try something again after a failure or setback. The word shot here doesn't refer to a literal shot from a gun or a vaccine, but rather it's a metaphorical use meaning an attempt or try. When you give something another shot, you're making another effort to succeed at it, showing resilience and the willingness to continue trying despite difficulties. The phrase, "give it another shot," likely originates from sports or games, where players would take shots or attempts at scoring or winning. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to refer to any attempt at doing something. Similar expressions include, "give it another go," "try again," and "take another crack at it." These synonyms can be used interchangeably, so feel free to use them to add variety to your speech or writing. To fully grasp how to use "give it another shot," let's look at some examples. After failing her driving test, Sarah decided to give it another shot and practiced even harder. I know you're feeling discouraged about your English speaking skills, but I encourage you to give it another shot. Persistence is key. The cake didn't turn out well the first time, but I'm willing to give it another shot. Maybe I'll try a different recipe. These examples show that the phrase can be applied to various situations, from personal challenges to everyday tasks. In English-speaking cultures, the idea of giving it another shot is highly valued. It reflects a growth mindset and the belief that effort and persistence can lead to success. By using this phrase, you're not only communicating your intent to try again, but you're also embodying a cultural value of resilience and determination. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what it means to give it another shot, and how you can use this expression in your English conversations. Remember, every attempt is a step closer to success, so never hesitate to give it another shot. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and never give up on your English language journey.